Posible po bang makash out ang pera mo sa GCash without face verification? Ang sagot po dyan is yes. Kung interested kayong matutunan paano, keep on watching. Let's go! So in this video, I'm going to share to you dalawang paraan paano makash out ang GCash mo without face verification. First way is through GCash card. Yes po. If may GCash card kayo and this GCash card, it can be Mastercard if nabutan nyo itong lumang GCash card at hindi pa expired yung card mo, or yung GCash Visa card, if ito na yung nabutan mo, it will still work as long as itong two cards na to po ay na-link ninyo sa inyong GCash and alam niyo yung PIN. So if alam niyo yung PIN at na-link itong isa sa dalawang GCash card na ito, posible ninyong makash out ang pera ninyo sa inyong GCash wallet using an ATM machine. Just make sure lang po na yung ATM machine is may logo ng Visa card if mayroon kayong GCash Visa card, and Mastercard logo if GCash Mastercard naman ang meron kayo. So if meron kayo, go to the nearest ATM machine, tulad ng BDO, Land Bank, BPI, then use your GCash card and mawi-withdraw na yung pera sa yung GCash card without face verification. So sir, paano po if wala kaming GCash cards? In that case, pwede kayo sa over-the-counter partner ni GCash. So here is the second way. So according to Google, pwede nyo makash out ang pera ninyo sa GCash niyo without face verification using over-the-counter OTC partners like Pure Gold, Robinson, Alphamart, or even sa 7-Eleven if may GCash card kayo. But based on my experience, sa nasubukan kong over-the-counter partner ni GCash is yung GPO. Nasubukan ko yun. So via GPO, yung ginawa lang nila is pumunta ako sa GCash Pera Outlet, nag-provide ako ng valid IDs. Then after providing valid ID, nag-provide din ako ng number ko sa GCash, and I make sure na may load yung aking GCash na regular load hindi yung only regular load at least 5 pesos. So once I provide those information, in-input nila sa GPO, I receive an OTP. Then ayun, nag-reply ako sa text na wherein I receive an OTP, and once I do that, successful na na-cash out ang pera sa GCash ko. So, using GCash Pera Outlet, possible po mag-cash out ang pera ninyo without face verification. So, ang tanong, paano po if wala kaming GCash card? Or meron kaming GCash card pero hindi na-link sa GCash wallet, o di kaya walang GCash Pera Outlet sa amin? How can I cash out it, sir? In that case, you can visit me at my FB page or Instagram for extra assistance. So if you like this video and natulungan ka ng video ito, if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if gusto mo rin matutunan paano mag-cash out sa unverified GCash na nabubuksan may tutorial ako para dyan, click mo lang ito. O di kaya gusto mo matutunan how to cash out PayPal money at less than 500 pesos, may tutorial din ako para dyan, click mo lang ito. So, yun lang. See you in the next video. Let's go!